mixture, egg mixture, then your outside batter with the cornmeal and flour mixture. Yes, Hattie.
If it don't sizzle like that, your grease ain't hot enough. I'm gonna get more flour mixture.
Yes, honey. So by putting it in the flour before the egg, guys, it helps your final coating stick on. So it doesn't get left behind in your frying pan. Yeah. Baby.
Uh-oh. Okay. That happens all the time.
Bless you, boo.
Thank you. Give me a plate.
Yeah. Gotcha. Now another thing, an old school trick. Well, an old school trick, and if you're into building flavors, you know about using old grease. Now, listen to me clearly. Not burnt grease. Old grease, meaning it done been fried in like once or twice. I mean it's seasoned. It got flavor, you know. You want to strain those crunchy bits out. Of course, clean your grease always. No crumbles. But yeah, that just adds another layer of flavor to these tomatoes that are going to be bomb. You see it crisping up already around me a little bit? Look at that. Look at all that. I haven't eaten yet, guys, so yeah, I'm sitting here stalking these tomatoes. Don't judge me. How bad? Yeah. Especially you. I'm about to say, especially you, babe. I'm sleeping later than you. You know, oh, my boo's cooking for me today, guys. Since it's her day off. She said I don't have to cook not a one meal. I think that's why she feeding me so late, so she don't have to cook as many meals. But that's between me and you. Huh, babe? You did have breakfast in bed. Gotta go.